Chapter 5 Sound of I. Short I as in pin, quick, zip, tin, nib, bin. Read more words to learn. It, hit, knit, kit, bit, sit, pit. In, sin, pin, win, bin, tin, kin. Id, hit, bid, mid, kid, rid, lid. Ip, sip, lip, nip, dip, zip, hip. Ig, dig, fig, pig, jig, big, wig. Im, kim, rim, tim, sim, dim, him. Tin, bin, zip, lip, wig, bid, lid, kid, sit, bit, king, wing.